you so much for tuning in. Today I'll be putting you through on how to select lipstick shade for that occasion. Yes, what determines the lipstick you rock? For me, that has to do with your makeup, your overall makeup. Is your eyes already talking? If your eyes is talking, you don't want the lips to talk again. For me, you're going to look like a masquerade. So you know what? You have to volume 1 You can pick your lips. If you use a very shouting color for the lips, then your eyes be calm. For me, I believe that both should not be talking, your lips, your eyes at the same time. Even though you're looking over made up. So pick one. You want your attention to be on your lips, then let the attention be on your lips. If you want it to be on your eyes, then the eyes, volume it up, intensify the eyeshadow, the lashes, let it be on flick, let everything be on flick. So today I'm actually doing a review on Body Talk by Toyin. Yes, that's by Toyin Brown. So I have this lipstick. I have different colors, different shades. So we'll be going through the different colors, then which occasion to wear, which for. For me, sometimes it has to do with my mood. Sometimes I'm just in a mood to paint it down red, then I go for red. And sometimes I just want to keep it nude. Like right now, I need to see my lips very calm, not too loud. So it depends on the outfit you're also wearing as well. So what determines your lipstick? For me, I believe your outfit determines your lipstick, your mood, the occasion. Are you going to church? You don't want to be over. You don't want your lipstick to be too loud. So also your personality plays a very big role. Can you rock a very loud lipstick? Can you rock a black? I've seen people rock black and they rock it very well. They were looking nice. But for me personally, I can't rock black because it doesn't really suit my personality. I'm not that kind of person. I can't rock blue. Some people rock blue. And it's so them and I like it on them. So it has to do with your personality. So today I will be looking at different shades of Body Talk by Toyin. This is red. She called it Ara Ibadan. This is Ara Ibadan. I love it. It's one of my favorites. I love red. You know, there's also some occasion you just want to, you want this bold look. For me, red shows boldness. So you can let your lipstick do the talking. Let me be able to say this person is very classy. This person is very bold and confident of herself. Or this person is very calm, very reserved. From your lipstick, you can tell the kind of person you are. Just like with your gele, you can tell the kind of person you are. Maybe you are the friendly type, maybe you are the outgoing type, maybe you are the one that likes to be the life of the party. So this Ara Ibadan is okay when you're going for a wedding. So I will advise you to go for Ara Ibadan. I like the fact that it stays all day. Yes, even with the eating of the small shops, the Nigerian jollof rice and the Ghana jollof rice, you see that this Body Talk by Toyin Ara Ibadan, it stays all day long. Then I have this other shade. The next one is Star Gloss. I like the fact that this one you can rock it every day. Can you see? It's more like a lip gloss. You can wear it for work and everyday look. And I like this one as well. This is Mainland Gloss. Wow, amazing. Then let's go for this one. This one is loud, as in this one all loud and gone. The color for people that are bold and confident. Wow, can you see? It's for the bold and confident. If you're going to the club and you want to scatter the club, you know, party after party, then this one, wow, back. Then let me see this. This is the Island Red. I've not even opened this after. I've not tried this. I wonder how it looks like. I'm sure it's going to be a very bold color as well. It's looking very close with the Ara Ibadan. Wow, but it's slightly louder. That the red is more intense, more like I would say tomato red. It's looking more like a tomato red. So for this, you can rock this for weddings, for club. Then when you have some dates, you can also rock it on the first date. When you want to show together, you know what, this babe can slay. Let me try this as well. Let me see how this looks like. This is Fatima. So this is yours. Let's see how this looks like. I like the shade. It's in between orange and red. This is in between orange and red. I said it. I love the color. You know what? Orange is my favorite color. So it's very close to orange. So I love this Fatima. Then let me see which other one I haven't really tried. So that's about it. So for me, and for a lot of people out there, what determines your lipstick shade? It has to do with your makeup, your overall makeup. Is your eyes already talking? Then you want your lips to be calm. Then you go for something like nude, something that suits your skin color, your natural color, something like your skin tone. so you just look naturally beautiful. You don't want to be looking overdressed. Also, it has to do with your personality. Let your lipstick do the talking. From your lipstick, let me go say, this person is very confident, this person is very bold. So I want to say thank you for watching. Kindly share this video and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ojulewa. Follow us on our social media pages, Ojulewa Studio, Ojulewa Studio on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and guess what? On our social media platform, we're giving away so many things. You don't want to miss out in this giveaway. So follow us today and please click the notification button so you get to see our video first. So see you next time, and I love you so much. Be good to yourself. Love you, man.